So now we're in conversation with Ms. Subinita Majumdar from National Digital Library of India. Ma'am, please tell us first of all, how is your experience going on till now in this special book fair, and a little more about yours.
Okay, this is excellent. The experience is really, really good because here we get to know our users. We can directly get in touch with the users. We can understand what they're liking, and how much they are benefited with NDLI. So let me tell you that National Digital Library of India, it is a signature platform that came out of the greater vision of the Ministry of Education as a part of the initiative of the digital education initiatives in India. And NDLI, that is National Digital Library of India, it provides free of content that can be books, research papers, judicial resources, cultural archives. In fact, previous year's question papers all solved. NEET, JEE, banking, and whatnot. And also for lifelong learners, we have cultural archive section, newspaper sections where you can see a newspaper, the day Gandhiji was shot. You can actually see that paper. I mean, this is a national treasure. NDLI is a national treasure. And it spans across all educational levels because we have books from KG to PG to researchers and also for lifelong learners. So readers from all walks of life, they can be benefited from NDLI. And NDLI, I feel it has reached all of India through its multilingual content because we have more than 30 plus native Indian languages, contents in that languages. It's very, very inclusive. So with this multilingual and inclusive content, with the combination of technology and collaboration with the institutions, I think we're reaching out everywhere.
So can you tell me something about the functioning? Like, is it an app, or how is the functioning of NDLI?
See, it can be accessed very easily, like directly from the Google also. You have to type www.ndl.gov.in, and we also have our apps, so you can access anywhere. But I'll say that in short and simple, you can say that this is a pocket library. You can carry knowledge everywhere you go, and the very vision of NDLI is like one library all of India because it's so inclusive. So I think this is a very good initiative under Ministry of Education. This is really good.
And now knowledge travels with us. Now we have digital library in India. Okay, that's wonderful, and it has been wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much, ma'am.